Good day, everyone. So, our group will be discuss the chapter 14, which is entitled as Project Closure, and I will be discuss the subtopic 14.4 to know how to use project retrospectives to obtain lessons learned. And the second one is 14.5 to assess level of project management maturity. So, the first subtopic to be discussed is all about project retrospectives. So, project retrospectives emerged in recent years to denote specific efforts at identifying lessons learned on projects. So, retrospectives means that if there is a project or a plan of an organization, it needs to be compiled to show the development of the work in a particular period of time, and it needs to have an achievements to improve future projects. So, project retrospective also is an agile project management method. So, from the word agile, it needs to be quick and be snappy when denoting a method of project management. So, when you say agile project management method, it is to manage a software development project that focuses on continuous release and incorporating customer feedback with every repetition. So, in retrospective methodology, the facilitator uses several questionnaires to conduct post-project audits. So, this post-project audits is the survey to focus not only on project operations, but also on how the organization's culture impacted project success and failures. So, let me show to you the two several questionnaires to conduct post-project audits. So the first table is all about is to provide a sampling of the former. So when you say former, it is a previous. So this survey is a previous or initial questionnaire, and this is the project process review questionnaire. And the second table is to provide a sample of latter. So when you say latter, it is the opposite of the former, which is the last or the final survey or questionnaire, and this is an organizational culture review questionnaire. So all in all, project retrospective should have a goal to take place after the completion of an iteration in order to continually improve results, teamwork, and as increased productivity of the project in a particular period of time. So, the second subtopic to be discussed is all about project audits. So, project audits is also called as individual audits or post-project retrospectives. So, it means that it is a formal review of a project, often intended to assess the extent to which project management standards are being upheld. So, project audit is a documented procedures and requirements of a project that is for investigation and evaluation of a team member, which can be applied to future project work. So, this is one of the example of the project audit, a review checklist to evaluate and to investigate the improvements and techniques of the organization to complete the project works in the future. So having these project audits, the organization will encompass to look from a point of view which is the use of project maturity model or project management maturity model. So the term maturity model was coined in the late 1980s from a research by the United States government and the Software Engineering Institute at Carnegie Mellon University. So the purpose of this maturity model are to enable organizations to assess their progress in implementing the best practices in their industry and to move into an improvement. And it is important to understand that the model does not ensure any success, but it only serves as a measuring stick as indicator of progress. Typically, the project management maturity model are divided into a continuum of growth, levels. And the first level of the project maturity model is the ad hoc project management. So in this level, it is no consistent project management process in place. So this level is usually developed when there is a problem arises that cannot be solved using standard or predefined business procedures, or this level is changeable. So for example, if you are a manager in an industry, so and if there is a problem at work, you are the one who can fix it. So it starts off as a simple task that snowballs into a dozen tasks that involves into 4 different departments and more than 6 other colleagues. So the manager is now straddled with the responsibility to carry out a new and uncommon business task, which tackling an unforeseen business problem. So there is a changeable in process of managing a business problems. So the second level of the project maturity model is the formal application of project management. So in this level, the organization applies established project management procedures and techniques. So it means that in an organization, they are using traditional project planning, scope, and benchmarking in order to manage a project. And in this level, the project manager and the line manager are constantly concerned about their roles, although both of two are managers, but they have different roles in an industry, but sometimes they need to clarify again regarding with their responsibility as a manager. So the third the third level of the project management maturity model is a institutionalization of project management. So in this level, an organization-wide project management system tailored to specific needs of the organization with the flexibility to adapt the process to unique characteristics of the project is established. So it means that all the project management process are in place and established as organizational standards, and it is typically automated. So, and the fourth level of the maturity model is the management of project management system. So in this level, the organization develops a system for managing multiple projects that are aligned with strategic goals of the organization. So it means that in an organization, they use processes and procedures in managing multiple projects to ensure that it can fulfill the tasks required to achieve its objectives of the organization. And in this level, the projects are managed with consideration the projects performed in the past and what is expected for the future. And also, management uses efficiency and effectiveness metrics to make decisions regarding to the project and understand the impacts on other projects. And lastly, the fifth level of the project management maturity model is the optimization of project management system. So in this level, the focus is on continuous improvement through incremental advancement of existing practices by innovations using new technologies and methods. So it means that it is an indication to manage an intentional charge in order to have a continuous improvement, and through using new technologies and methods, the performance of project management will be improved and there will be an effectively managing of the projects. So according to Penny Packer 2001, the purpose of a project management maturity model is to provide a model of progressive improvement in project management system and processes that can be used to assess an organization's capabilities and to provide an improvement path. So this project management maturity model is very helpful especially in an organization. So again, the 5 levels of the project management maturity model are ad hoc project management, formal application of project management, institutionalization of project management, management of project management system, and the last is optimization of project management system. So that's all, and that's that will be the end of my report, and thank you for listening. Well, this is Rosemary Deyuha from BSO at 3B, and one of the member of the group 3. So keep safe everyone, and God bless. Thank you.